Hello, my name is Jack Solomon and I'm a teacher working at a preschool, and I would like to help my other fellow teachers know just how easy it is to use KidsOnline. Today, we are going to be looking at how we can fill in the periodic assessments for the students. So just like everything else on KidsOnline, filling out the periodic assessment is easy. Now maybe you will do this once a semester, or maybe once a month. This can be set by the school. But let's start by hopping into the KidsOnline homepage. So once in the homepage for teachers, we can scroll down and underneath other tasks, you will find a button that says periodic assessments. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then you want to find the assessment that you would like to fill in. For example, let's go to this one, assessment for learning area, numeracy. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a class list, and from there you can fill out the assessment for each individual student. Let's take a look at Charles. So after we've selected the student, in this case it's Charles, you can see that we have some thematic units and also a progress report development scale. You can treat this as a rubric for how you would grade the student. Now, scrolling down, we can see that each different assessment part has been put into different categories. For example, here we have cognitive development, emotional development, social development, physical development, self-awareness and self-regulation. And from there it's easy. You can just tick the box, you just press and that's it. You will see a little tick come up. So maybe in your reports you'd also like to add some photos. That's very easy. At the bottom, underneath all the ticking, you'll see a green button that says Choose Image. You can go ahead and click on that, select all of the photos that you would like to input, and then just press Add. Furthermore, it's also possible to add a teacher's comment. It's very easy to do so. Just click on the box, type in what you would like to type, and then press Submit. Once you press on that, that's all done and you can move on to the next student. I'd like to highlight that all of these different assessments are totally customizable by the school. That includes the thematic units, the progress report development scales, and also the different subcategories for assessment below. This can ensure that each different assessment is totally tailored towards that student or that class or even that grade. Furthermore, all of these reports can create some student analytics. That can be seen from the parent's end once the report has been submitted. Here we can see that this development scale chart has focused and provided a score based on cognitive, emotional, social and physical development. I hope from this video you can see how simple it is to fill out the periodic assessments, and I hope it was helpful. So thank you and see you next time.